Are you a man who's wondering how to attract women with zero effort? Do you want to make them come to you instead of you having to do all the work yourself? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to make women chase you without having to put in any effort. By mastering some simple tips and tricks, you can become a magnet for the opposite sex and have them show up at your doorstep. So, if you're ready to take control of your love life and make women chase you, keep watching to find out how. Number 10. Develop your charisma. Charisma is an art form that will allow you to effortlessly draw the attention of women. With the right attitude and a few simple tips, you can learn how to make women fall for you without lifting a finger. It involves being warm, confident, and enthusiastic with people while also being able to make them feel comfortable and accepted. By honing in on your charisma, you can create a magnetic aura that attracts women and makes them want to spend time with you. Number 9. Lead the interaction. Leading the interaction is a great way for high-value men to attract women with zero effort. This means that instead of waiting for the women to take the initiative, the man should take charge and direct the conversation. This shows the woman that he is confident and in control, which is attractive. He should also be interested in paying attention, making sure to ask questions and pay close attention to what she says in response. This shows her that he is genuinely interested in her, which will make her feel special. Also, the man should be confident and take the lead when it comes to making plans for dates and activities. This shows her that he is decisive and capable of making decisions, which will make her feel secure. Number 8. Be mysterious. Being mysterious is an effective way to attract women with no effort. Women love a challenge, and being mysterious allows you to do just that. It involves not giving away too much information about yourself and staying mysterious. This can be done by avoiding topics of conversation that delve too deeply into your personal life, as well as by keeping some things about yourself a mystery. Instead, let her piece together your personality over time. Show her just enough of who you are to keep her interested. Ask interesting questions and be open to talking about yourself, but don't give away your entire life story at once. Women want to feel like they have to work to get to know you, and the more you keep her guessing, the more she'll want to get to know you. By being mysterious and not giving away too much, you can create an aura of mystery and intrigue that can make a woman take notice and be drawn to you. Number 7. Be fun and playful. Be yourself, have fun, and let your playful side shine. This is the best advice for men who are looking to attract women with zero effort. As the saying goes, a good laugh can cure any moment. Showing a woman that you can be fun and lighthearted can be incredibly attractive. Women enjoy men who can make them laugh and have a good time. Ask her interesting questions, make jokes, and be sure to keep her on her toes. Doing so will make her excited to see you and eager to find out what else you have in store. So don't be afraid to have some fun and be a little silly. Women love it when a man is playful and has a good sense of humor. Number 6. Dress to impress. A man should make sure to wear clothes that fit him well and that accentuate his best features. Paying attention to details such as ironing a shirt and maintaining cleanliness is essential to making a good first impression. Wearing classic pieces like a well-fitted blazer, dark jeans, and a pair of classic shoes will make you stand out from the crowd. Additionally, accessorizing with a watch or a pocket square can add the perfect touch to any outfit. Also, consider what message you're trying to convey with your look. An outfit that's too flashy or overly trendy may send the wrong message. If you want to be seen as confident and successful, opt for timeless pieces that will stand the test of time. When you dress to impress, you'll be amazed at the attention you'll receive from women. You'll be able to make a great first impression and then let your personality take over. Number 5. Act with integrity. Integrity is the foundation of any successful relationship, and it is essential for attracting women. By living up to a high moral code, men demonstrate that they are trustworthy and have the courage of their convictions. When you act with integrity, you show that you are an honest and trustworthy person. This communicates to women that you have qualities they can rely on, making them feel safe and secure in your presence. This also shows that you have strong moral values, which can be very attractive to women since it's a sign of good character. Overall, acting with integrity is a great way for high-value men to attract women without trying. It shows a man's good character and shows that he is a reliable and trustworthy person. Number 4. Develop a strong sense of self-worth. The only way to build a strong sense of self-worth is to take ownership of your life and your choices. High-value men are attractive to women because they possess a strong sense of self-worth and confidence. Developing a strong sense of self-worth is key to making women chase you, and it takes no effort at all. As the famous saying goes, your beliefs become your thoughts become your words become your actions become your habits become your values, and your values become your destiny. Taking this wisdom to heart and understand your worth will help you become the kind of high-value man that women are naturally drawn to. Number 3. Bring social proof. Social proof is an effective way for men to attract women without putting in any effort. It's a psychological phenomenon in which people look for others for behavioral cues. By having friends and participating in social activities that demonstrate you are popular and well-liked, women will be more likely to be attracted to you. This will make it easier for you to get the attention and make them more likely to pursue you. For example, if you're out with a group of friends, the women you are interested in will be more inclined to talk to you if she sees that other people like and approve of you. Additionally, this can be done by showing off your social media activity, bragging about your accomplishments, and displaying photos of you with other successful people. Women are more likely to be attracted to men who are already popular and successful. The more social proof you can bring to the table, the more likely it is that you will be the one she chooses. Number 2. Avoid fidgeting. Women are naturally attracted to men who are confident and secure. Fidgeting or appearing nervous can be a real turnoff for women. What does fidgeting mean? Fidgeting can include anything from playing with your hair, tapping your feet, biting your lip, or playing with your clothes. All of these movements can make you look nervous, uncomfortable, or even uninterested in the conversation. So, how do you stop fidgeting? Take deep breaths. Maintain a good posture and stay relaxed. Be conscious of your movements and focus on what you're saying. Make eye contact with those you're talking to and keep your hands steady. Number 1. Develop an aura of confidence and security. If you want to make women chase you with zero effort, then you need to develop an aura of confidence and security. In order to do this, you must believe in yourself and your worth. When you feel good about yourself and safe, women will naturally be drawn to you. Begin by standing tall, shoulders back and head held high. Avoid slouching as this conveys insecurity. Make eye contact with the women around you, and when you do, smile warmly. Showing your pearly whites will make you appear confident and secure. When talking to women, speak in a firm yet gentle manner. Don't be afraid to express your emotions or share your thoughts. Women find men who appear to be in control of their emotions attractive. Finally, don't be afraid to be yourself. Don't feel like you have to conform to some sort of ideal of what a man should be. Just be yourself and let your personality shine through. These simple steps will help you attract women effortlessly. Show the world that you are a confident and secure man, and you won't have any trouble finding admirers. The major takeaway from this video should be that you don't need to try too hard to attract women. Instead, focus on being confident and authentic, and allow yourself to be vulnerable. Show her that you are a genuine person, and don't be afraid to show your true emotions. Also, be sure to practice good communication skills so you can effectively express yourself. Make sure you are listening to her and responding appropriately. Be sure to respect her boundaries and don't be afraid to walk away if things don't feel right. Lastly, be sure to stay true to yourself and don't try to be someone you're not. Women are drawn to men who are self-assured and authentic and who they can rely on. Now, leave an honest answer in the comment section below. Which tip did you find the most helpful? We would love to hear from you. Now, you need to watch the recommended video you see on the screen right now. It will show you 11 habits that will make you more attractive to women. Make sure you watch it now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.